Solver Solutions brings to you Emerald ERP software for automation of your shuttering stores scaffolding business. Emerald software helps you control your business leakage, increase your profitability, generate accurate rental bills, maintain your stock from manual to computerized, complete financial accounts with daybook, ledger, cashbook up to balance sheet. Emerald software is very simple to run. There is no need to learn even the ABC of accounts or computers. Emerald software is developed by very experienced technocrats and tested by more than 700 well-established scaffolding business tycoons. As we know, in scaffolding business, there are number of items and every item have its own sizes. In Emerald, feed every item with rent and size with opening stock because all the rental bills are generated as per items and stock is managed as per size. Emerald ERP software design your item master very intelligently. That is waste of all further calculations. In Emerald ERP software, all the screens are designed by expert very carefully just as we work manually, so that all the business reports that consume your very precious time now is generated automatically in nanoseconds. So life now becomes very easy when we start working on Emerald. Reduce your total monthly burdens to achieve your life targets. In scaffolding business, there are number of parties to remember item-wise rates set with every party for each site is very difficult job. In agreement, we can not only set up all the rates of item with the party, but also define damage and breakage charges to charge in case of items received in broken condition. In scaffolding business, every day number of items are issued to different parties for their different sites. In manual working, to know party rates, particular site and particular item and how much stock is balanced on that site is very complicated. In Emerald ERP software, when we issue the items to the party for particular site, software automatically picks very quickly all the rules like rate set with party, stock balance as well as stock at party site. In software, as when party returns the items at that time, we cannot receive every item as it is. Some items may be in broken condition and sometimes we may receive items more than the data balance. At the receiving time, in software, we can also feed some other supporting items or components which are not a part of rent but they are chargeable as a breakage. Any other charges paid at the time of receiving like freight, labor can be entered in receiving challan. In scaffolding business, revenue comes from rent to generate accurate and error-free rental bills. Use Emerald ERP software. Emerald ERP software very quickly calculates each item remain at party site for how many days, calculates its rent, which rate set up during agreement, picks missing or damaged component from receiving challans, calculates breakage charges as per rates set in agreement, shows other charges paid during issue received challans. In manual working, to calculate everything regarding a party like his stock, calculate his rent, breakage items and their charges. Challan charges during challan issue received requires at least one complete business day. Emerald software produce very valuable and intelligent reports like party details in which we give all the details to the party for each transaction, can be expanded size-wise and show access and breakage quantity. Now there is no need to maintain manual transaction registers for issue and received challans. Software automatically produce daily transaction reports with details. No need to waste your valuable time maintaining party-wise stock register. Software automatically shows challan-wise issue received item details with an excellent printing in Excel. In manual working, we cannot guess how much estimated earning we can make a day. Solver Solutions design that kind of intelligent reports. Those are not only valuable for your business but also very important to achieve your targets and make your brand give new heights to your business. Every scaffolding businessman wants to know their business outlook in which their overall business is projected in nutshell. In Emerald ERP software, Solver Solutions design that type of reports like My Business Outlook in which details of every party with their current ledger balance, total number of issue and received challans, date of first entry and date of last entry, days since party not arrived, estimated rent up to date, bills generated up to dates and amount which is not billed up to date. All kinds of party stock reports like party wise pending stock report, item wise pending report, stock report, size wise pending stock report, party site wise pending stock report, higher stock report or current stock status. In brief, Emerald software not only covers rental bills but also covers other things like items hired from other parties, contract bills, sale purchase, production, stock journal, complete financial accounting up to balance sheet. Solver Solutions team designed very simple and very intelligent software to develop intelligent, error-free, tension-free business. Now achieve your business targets to make world-class brand. Simply start Emerald ERP software for scaffolding business that is so simple to maintain. To install Emerald ERP software, visit our website www.solversolutions.in. Download Emerald Setup, download Solver Support, DLL files setup. Run both softwares on your system and enjoy.